In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Figma file. Duplicating a file is a simple, reliable way to create a safe sandbox for experimentation. Preserve an original version before major changes, or spin off variations for different stakeholders. You'll see two straightforward ways to do it: from the file browser and from an open file. First, open Figma and head to the file browser, sometimes called the dashboard. This is the quickest route when you don't need to open the file first. Find the file you want to copy either in your recent files or inside a specific team project. When you see it, right-click directly on the file's thumbnail or its name. From the context menu that appears, choose Duplicate. Figma will instantly create a new copy in the same location, and you'll see it appear with a default name, like copy of original name. This approach is great when you want to rapidly branch a file without loading it, and it helps you keep related versions grouped together in the same place. If you don't see the duplicate option, it usually means your access is limited or the project has restricted permissions. In that case, you may need to work with someone who has the appropriate rights. Now, if you already have the file open and decide you want a version to experiment with, you can duplicate it from inside the file itself. Look at the top toolbar and click the file name, the one with the small drop-down arrow next to it. From that drop-down, select Duplicate. Figma will open the duplicate in a new window or tab, leaving your original file untouched. The copy will carry over your pages, frames, components, and prototype settings, so you can continue designing without rebuilding anything. The duplicate will also use a default name similar to copy of original name, making it easy to spot while you work. Both methods do the same thing. The difference is simply where you start. Use the file browser method when you want a quick copy before opening anything, and use the in-file method when inspiration strikes mid-file workflow and you want to branch instantly. Duplicating is especially useful before large refactors, design explorations, or client-phase-specific variations, because it preserves your original decisions while giving you room to iterate freely. It helps maintain a clean history and lowers the risk of accidental changes to important work. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.